Trabaho na si Dodong ah. Is it far? Where you have to throw that? Okay. Bye. Good morning. Hello boy. Good morning. Ay. Ito ang good morning. Dito tayo dapat good morning. Hello, good morning, beautiful. Are you Indy? Good morning, Indy. Good morning, Papa. Where is Indy? Where is Indy? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Asan yung maliit na kutsilyo? Hey, good morning.
Kuya, ulit-ulit.
Nagagalit na.
Ulit-ulit.
Good morning.
4, 3, kuya.
Where are you going? Alright, come here. Oh my God, ang lamig pa din dito.
What's that?
It's still cold.
Oh, yeah. What's up?
Yes. Love you. Enjoy.
Mommy,
Yes.
Mama, eh?
What?
where's my sister?
There.
Ako sa ating, lobster steak.
Bukas?
Bukas lang sa, lunch natin.
Oo. Nachos. Luto tayo guys. Rice. Good morning guys. Happy Saturday. Saturday na, di ba? March 1 na. Hala. Birthday month na ng pamilya ko.
Sino ba? Si Arlo?
Si Arlo. Lahat ng kapatid ko. As in, lahat talaga ng kapatid ko. Silang apat. Yeah. At saka si mama. Birthday month nilang lahat. Yeah. So, full on yung March. So, meron, pinakauna si Merwin, March 8. Ay, joke. March, alimusan ko naman.
Basta March siya.
May March 8, may March 10,
Si Miss din,
si
birthday.
Marlon March 8, si Merwin March 10, si Arlo March 14, si Mama March 19, si Miss March 21,
So na talaga, ikaw lang na iba?
si Mark March 27.
Si Papa mo, ano na?
August. Yes. You don't wanna, yeah, no one's having dinner. Why are we having dinner? You don't wanna have dinner. No, me too. I don't wanna have dinner too. It's breakfast. Silly boy. What do you want? I don't wanna have breakfast kasi I want this one.
Oh,
The peanuts. Now, can you eat breakfast first and then I'll give you that?
yes, Baba.
Okay, yeah. What do you want? I have Nutri-Grain. I have chocolate cereal. I have Whitbeats. What do you want? Yay! Okay. Whoa, chocolate cereal is the best. Daddy will find something. One. Yay, Bluey!
Silly ka daw.
Yeah, I see that. Huh?
How about get some more milk tonight?
Yay! You wanna get more milk? Yeah, up to you.
I just ordered some barbecue stuff this morning.
Okay, yep. So what meat are you getting?
I don't know. Well, sausages.
Not too much.
We will not eat your meat.
So not for you girls.
Not for us. Just for you, yeah.
Kids.
Yeah,
They do just say sausages.
yeah.
The kids will eat rice and then yeah, sausages. The hot dog looking things.
Hibachi's.
Yeah.
Oh, John loves that one, the
He's
shibachi.
already set up. Yeah.
She was looking in the one that does like jibajis, because I don't know.
Masarap, diba? Yeah, it's
Gusto
yummy.
niya yung
Yeah.
jibachi.
Is that Italian? I still don't know if it's Italian. No?
German.
Greek.
Greek, yeah. The one at Woolly, it's good.
Yung sa butcher, usually yung mas masasarap.
Mas madali pa siyang lutuin kaysa sausage. Ang bilis
Yeah,
niya
yeah.
maluto.
Kasi hindi din siya dry, basta naluto lang ng ayos. Tapos masarap siya ilagay sa ano man, yung sa puff pastry, tapos may sausage roll ka na. Si Bachi yung ano. Luto tayo itlog at saka bacon na naman. Gusto na nida ng egg and bacon roll. Tapos si Kuya din daw. Si Zach ayaw. Zach, do you want eggs? You sure? Yeah, si John kumakain na ng ano, sandwich na. Hindi sandwich. Toast na may Vegemite.
I've been like straws as well.
Ikaw, gusto mo egg and bacon?
No pepper.
Tanong lang. Oh, ayaw, may idea. Kailangan.
Luto tayo. Masarap yung lulutuin natin.
Oh, may utap. Akin na yan? Yan na yung namain ko?
Ako na talagang nasa holiday nagtitinda pa din.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na talaga. Hapon, Lilo ko siya birthday niya kasi ngayon ay
Ngayon,
utap, guys.
nagluluto, nagtitinda.
Ang sarap nito.
Di ba? Ang sarap
Ang
niya.
sarap niyan. Holy Mom style. Sa ano ni Sis? Ayan na, may nakalagay. Sismers.
$30.
Ganyan talaga kumita pa sa holiday.
May tindahan pa pala dito. Ay,
Kaya pala, ang dami ay display pala para sa Holy Mom style.
hindi pala yung kakain. Tinitinda po yan, ha? Okay po.
Alam mo, dami lang snack. Uy, tinda yan. May mga presyo ay.
May mga pangalaw.
May mga pangalan pa pala. Namay na yung iba.
Grabe.
Alright, yung kay Dan, hindi luto yung kay Kuya luto. Isang egg na lang natira ang this tray. Pero meron pa isang tray.
Ano, ang maganda na ngayon na ganito, na pansara, yung ganon. Yun ang nauuso.
Napataas?
Oo, parang
Maganda. Kaya lang hindi ako. Paano mas mako-close?
gagano ka na.
Hi, baby!
Pansinin mo yung isa.
Sino?
Si Dong. Kasi
Kaya
pag
nga.
nagsasabi kay Alahay, mami. I love your car. Ang layo, di ba? I love your scooter. Mami, I love your car.
Oo, ganun dapat may pabalik talaga yan siya. I love your hair. I love your hair, mommy. I love your scooter. Wala man akong scooter. I love your car.
Kaya, naisip niya pa yun, no?
Oo, ganun talaga yan.
I love your car.
Babe, yours is the ranio. Kuya's will be to cook you. Yeah. So ano na, yung mga bata mo sa bahay na sa weekend?
Ano, kami lang, sila Holly lang, kami lang. Sila kuya, kami kaya.
Oh, daddy lips and it.
Oh, no, I haven't.
Just on the side.
There you go. Dito na pala si Inday.
Singer tayo po.
Singer siya. Lutuan natin yung asawa niya ng breakfast.
Nag-breakfast na ba yung dalawa?
Oo, kanina pa. So, 2 eggs sa kanya,
Yes, please.
tapos bacon.
When the night's long,
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should have let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead, I'll sing this song. Time and time.
Tapos na, guys.
Mommy, one
Nagluto
That's
si
Daddy's.
Manay ng barmanding apakalaki and Bicol Express. My gosh. Oh, kain na. Kain na sis. Pwede nang galawin.
Pwede nang galawin.
Ay, ikaw Manay. Yung vlog mo.
Dali na.
Kasi kukurutin na ni Riker.
That's Daddy's breakfast.
Uy, grabe ka naman.
Uy, grabe ka naman.
Maano yun din.
Right ka.
Maano din, mabuto.
Hindi ka na wait pa mami. Silly boy. Kala niya kasi chicken. It's fish. It's fish.
Uy, dahil maano ng ano? Maano siya ng...
Wala mong tinik.
Inuman niya yung ano.
Let me see map.
No, di ba?
Ayan.
Di ba dry ka? Tak na to.
Kain tayo guys.
Okay, guys,
say
sila
bye.
ba ito?
Say bye to them.
Nagsisinungaling dito. Kanin lang yun.
Ayun, asawa mo.
There, she saw. Be careful.
Joke only. Joke only. Nagising. Joke only.
Paano ka na?
Mami. Sabi ko, masarap ng bigos kasi mababa ako.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. Oh.
Gusto niyo talaga ng baby?
Ang landi niya, sabi niya, oh, it's so cute, the baby.
Mega.
Yeah, and you floaties?
Wala.
What?
Your floaties. You're not swimming.
You're not swimming yet, Baba.
You need your helmet so you can play with your scooter. Go play with your scooter. Who's not swimming?
We're going to baby. We're going to. Here, Baba.
Yan, oh. May tinapay dyan.
What did Tita Manay
Rocket.
say? Tita Manay said, Holy's getting
Aray
sick.
ka,
Holy there, might as well,
Cupcake?
I have a sore head.
Yeah.
Gusto yun, ah.
Been cooking.
Yeah.
Yan, may cupcakes dyan. Nakita mo yung muffin dyan?
Biscuit daw. May
Ma,
biscuit ka ba?
doon, sa kabila, doon.
Nauna pa nakasubo yung isa.
Kagaling.
So sa mga arena ng ano talaga, great timing talaga tong aking hindi.
Biscuit.
Ubus na yung isda.
Oh, sarap magkamay.
Kaya nga, kamay
Kaya
na
lang yung mga anak ko kasi.
Sabi ka mo, babaang niya.
Ayan,
Ano mo, Bicol Express.
Baon ka? Yeah.
Sarap ng sasawam.
Sarap. Sarap magkamay.
Mamay ka.
Kamay na ako. Thank you, Manay.
No worries. No, wala mo po tayo, baby.
Our dad is holding her.
Ay, ang sarap ng isda.
Can you find the
Sarap ng
tongs?
mga ano.
Maybe it's in the
mga
room.
fried
Your tongs in
buko.
the room.
Alam mo, mas mura ang rice ng toast bread. Mas masarap. Thank
Rice, Holly?
you. Want rice, ate? Come on. Oo, akaya kong kainin sa li. Ang carrot ka.
Oh no, are you giving her a funny face? Is Ate giving you a funny face? What do you want? What do you want? Coke?
Yeah.
Oh no, the Coke is for grown-ups.
Look,
Uh-oh, go pick it up, Alo. Nasira yung scooter niya, guys. Natanggal yung gulong. Yung isang gulong. Gustong-gusto pa naman niya yan.
Ayan.
Anthony, if you
Gamit
still
na
have it.
gamit.
Arla,
Go get it, Alo. Pick it up.
Baba.
Give it to Daddy.
What? What?
What's Daddy doing, Alo?
My bike.
He's fixing your bike. Is it a bike?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
But it's yeah.
It's a scooter.
His daddy took my stupid.
Yeah, who broke it?
It's not.
Look
It's
Riker broke it?
Yes.
Did he?
Yes.
Did Riker break it?
Rocco's riding it. He didn't break it.
Ah.
He just riding it.
Last
He
night.
liked it and break.
He ride it and break it.
My idea.
Not a good idea. No, no. We're not blaming other kids.
Where are you going?
I don't have it at the front.
Huh?
Oh, that not scary. Daddy's gonna fix it, okay? What do you say to Daddy?
I got privilege.
You got a boo boo right there.
I saw you.
You show me, please show me the boo boo. Come on.
I saw you. What is this letter?
Oh
What
no.
letter is that?
It's right there.
Oh, it is
Mommy,
right
what
there.
letter is this?
Um, C?
See?
Are you doing a letter C?
This is the letter.
What? Letter I. Ah, are you doing your name? I and then S. Do a letter S.
How the S?
Ay, tignan mo si Arlo.
This mommy.
What's
That's,
that?
what?
A. Letter A.
A?
What's this?
That is X.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Okay, do the X.
Hindi naman yan. X, buti na pagwalis na tayo.
X. Good job. Ah,
What's
that
that letter?
is
What's this?
X. X. That's X.
What letter is that one?
What's this?
That is letter W. No.
What's this?
What is it?
M.
M. Letter M.
Letter X.
Letter.
X.
X.
X lang yung tinatanggap niya. Oh, that is Bam letter.
Bam.
Ah, sorry. What letter is that?
V, V,
Ah, V.
V.
V. Yes.
like this.
Yes, V. Letter silly boy. Letter silly boy.
What letter?
Ah,
V, V.
V.
No.
Ayaw niya ng X lang sa kanya. X. Letter X.
Bakit X?
It is
It's letter X.
W.
Ah, letter foot. Letter foot.
No.
Ah, ano ba yan? What is it?
Can you tell us? I don't know what letter. Letter Z? No.
No.
Letter TJ?
No.
No.
Letter Arlo boy.
No.
Hindi.
No.
Wala na.
Letter mommy.
No.
What letter? Relax. Relax. What letter is this? Pretty.
I can do it. I can get this.
Umalis na pala sila, Mers, guys. After namin kumain, umalis na sila. Check out sila today, eh.
Talk about the places that you've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time they'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
Ayla, close the door, please.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
Ayla, close the door, please, ate. No, not that one, the other one.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. I'll make up so nice. Heartbreak is one thing. My ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, mother, father. Please, please, please.
Mother, father.
Yeah.
It's a mother and the father.
I'm still big up to in front of me.
What?
My laptop this would hurt.
Does it? Why? You look so nice. I love that swimwear. Who gave it to you?
But I, the other like, the other one doesn't hurt.
Ah, the other foot doesn't hurt.
Turn around so I can.
Come on, Daddy's putting sunscreen. Si Arlo na lang, o siya lang mag-isa naglagay. Funny face. Funny face.
This is how one then.
Sus, mukha mo, Arlo, eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Are you going to, babe? Are you going to? Oh, where's your swimwear?
I'm trying to find another one. I found you, Mommy.
You ready? Are you sure?
Look in there.
This one here.
Pinahiram siya ni Ate
Yeah,
Holly
look
ng
at
ano,
that.
swimwear.
I'm
Sabi ko, i-try niya lang kasi mas prefer namin yung long sleeve. Yun yung dala-dala ko.
ready, Mom.
Ayaw na niya
Your
hubarin.
face to leave it. Just stay still.
Tapos okay lang, hindi ganun kasani. You ready?
Yeah, okay, let's see.
Ito yung dala-dala ko yung
Look at me,
ano,
look at me,
Zara
look at
niya
me.
na long sleeve.
I want
Gustong gusto niya yan kasi tingnan yung belly button. Can I see your belly button? Ayun na. Hello. Are you finished?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Long way to finish work.
Daddy's gonna put sunscreen on
Put it
you.
all over your eyes.
No.
Daddy.
No, I don't.
Tell Daddy, say not on the eyes.
Okay, in the mouth.
No.
Lift up your eye. Lift up your
Hello,
head,
no,
please.
don't hit Dada.
Isla, lift up your head. I can do your face. Your face is...
You don't know my part. Okay, figure.
Isla, seriously, princess.
You know my part.
You just got uninvited again. I can go to your party?
I'm not dying.
Not Daddy. How about Tita Manay?
Is that the grandma? Yeah. And where's the mom? Right here. It's right here. I love this movie. Do you? And Mom, that is going to be my cake flame. That's going to be my cake. Really? No, that will be my cake. And no, that will That does be my cake. That might be my cake too, Aya. That's my birthday.
The other one, right, baby? Here, let me push the other one more. Ano na guys, update 2:10 na ng hapon. Ano, basahin ko ang kapalaran ni sis. Kami na lang dalawa na tira, basahin ko ang kapalaran niya. Ay, hindi. Ano, mag-wish ka, tapos sabihin ko sa'yo kung matutupad o hindi. Kaya nga. Ay, maganyan tayo man eh. Oh.
Hindi mo.
Hindi.
Ginawa na natin yan.
Hindi natin yan
Hindi
nagawa.
yan, yung isa.
nagawa natin yung orange. Oo. Yung may pasahero.
Ano, dadali na naman natin si Indy. Gagaling natin si Indy.
Lahat na lang ng ganap namin dala si
Kasama namin
Indy.
si Indy.
Kasama nga namin siya ngayon. Nandito siya. Tulog. Sarap ng tulog.
Sarap ng tulog.
Kasi yung mga
Umiikot
boys
lang
lahat.
siya dyan, no? Umiikot lang siya.
Yan. Alright. Wish ka muna. Wish ka habang kinakat mo.
Ay, sige nga.
Mag-wish ka. Totoo.
Ay.
Wish. Sige, tapos ikat mo. Ikat mo.
ikat.
Ano? Tap. Ano yun?
Ano nga to? Ayaw, huwag kayo dito rin. Mainitin ulo.
Ano? Ikat mo. Ganun siya. Parang. Okay, ready ka na sa wish mo?
Oo.
Okay.
Ay,
Sa kalimutan ko pala paano. Solitaire lang pala ang gagawin.
Ay,
Oh.
Pero try hard. Ano? Nakikita. Baka may
Pag-ibig. May pag-ibig. Tawa parang buwan. Pag-ibig
Yung
agad.
pala maghihiwalay.
Oo. Delikado. Ang pag-ibig mo, delikado.
Shit.
Tres lang. Dapat dito, alas ng pag-ibig, agoy. Delikado ang pag-ibig, sis.
Ano ba yun? Mag-transfer ako.
Ilan na ulit yun, Sana? Ilan yun? Ilan yung solitaire? Alam ko, akala ko marunong ka nito.
Ano nga kasi nga?
7? 8.
8 ata yun.
8? Umayos ka kasi yung wish mo nakasalalay.
Such a
Solitaire. Stay. Kalimutan
8
ko na.
yata. Ang tagal na kasi.
Kaya,
7 or 8.
solitaire.
Hindi, 20.
Solitaire. 2, 4, 7! Uy!
Tama ka. Ikaw talagang
2,
perfect.
4, 6, 7. Ikaw talaga ang perfect.
Ikaw talagang
Okay,
perfect.
pangalawang baraha, sis.
Nakaka-
Pag-ibig na naman! umaangat na ang pag-ibig. Hindi pala delikado.
Delikado.
Ano lang yun siya?
Pag-ibig.
Hindi delikado ang pag-ibig mo. Ganda yung pag-ibig mo.
Tayo delikado kung hindi natin ito ipasok.
Pangatlong baraha.
Hala, ang pag-ibig.
Uy, yung pag-ibig mo talaga!
Ang pag-ibig ko talagang mababasa mo.
Pag-ibig na talaga, sis. Ano bang wish mo? Ano? Second husband? kung ito, pag-ibig na naman, ala na. Hindi na ko napapatuloy. Tupad na talaga yung ano mo. Ay, kayamanan. Tawa-tawa. Ano to?
Ano ako sa iyo sa mga mo kung anong ilik.
Kayamanan, diamond. Kayamanan yan.
Ako sa iyo.
Kayamanan.
Ano kaya? Ano
Pero
kaya?
trace lang. So, medyo start ka sa ano, may pagka-poor. Ready?
Start ka sa pinakababa. Ano yan?
Shit, ano ba yung spades? Ano ba yung spades?
Ito alam. Ano yan? May hadlang.
May hadlang sa
May
kayamanan
hadlang
mo.
sa kayamanan. Ayun.
Oh, wag ka mo nang
Wag
ano
ka
nang
na.
iloto, wag mo na.
Ayun mo na. Thursday.
Kayamanan na naman.
Kayamanan na.
Pero wala, dos lang.
Kaya kasi may hadlang.
Kaya
Nag-jump.
nga eh. Ayun!
Ay!
Ayun.
Ayan. Kayaman.
Tingnan natin kung nakakaano ka ng loto mamaya. Feeling ko yan yung winish niya, guys. Manalo ng loto.
Si Mama, adik din sa ganyan.
Si
Paghapon
Mama,
na.
ganito. Oo, yan.
Paghapon na ganyan siya. Pagtapos na siya mga gawain niya.
Diba dito,
nakaupo na yan.
nakasalala yung ano mo wish, mas hindi ko makukuha yung wish ko na yun. Parang,
Oo, di ba? Tas, lalo pag naubos mo,
yeah,
sarap-sarap mo.
yun nga, yung ano mo yung wish mo nga, pag naubos daw.
Pag naubos daw yan.
Feeling ko talaga matutupad tong ano mo. Sinimulan ng pag-ibig eh.
Tiyan.
Pag lahat ng bagay sinimulan mo sa pag-ibig, matutupad yan. Tutupad
Si
yan,
Madam
sis.
Auring, Madam Auring pala.
Tutupad
Boy pa
yan.
kaya yun?
Ewan ko.
Pero kilala mo siya?
Oo,
Madam
kilala ko
Auring?
yun yan.
So instead I'll sing this song. Time and time again I'll go back to my reality. Foolish I know, but you always keep a figment of my mind, guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't even know.
Ah, wala na sis, hindi natupad.
Hindi na natupad yung
Yeah,
aking
wala.
ano.
Wala ka na. Nasimulan siya ng maganda eh, lumalagablab na mag-ibig eh.
Nauwi sa hindi.
Okay, sa kabigo.
Kabiguan.
Thank you! Ay, saan na yung pamilya ko? Ayun na! They're coming now.
Don't worry.
Go! Or they're coming. Ice cream. Go, go, go! Great timing! Yeah, of course. What do you want? What do you want? Okay, another sherbet, please. Thank you. Ayla, come here, baby. Oh, look at Arlo. Arlo, what do you want? Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
You choose here, Mama. Choose here. Choose here.
I got my wallet, yes. Do you accept card at all? Card? It's okay? Okay, that's good. Okay. What do you want, Daddy? Ayla, do you want to taste Ate Holly's and see if you like that one? Yeah, I've got money.
Johnny, got one? Yeah. Just go with one.
What do you want? Are you sure you want that one?
Just go to just a flake cone, thanks, Dan. Just a flake one?
flake.
I'll just go a flake for Johnny.
Try it first, Anna. Try it first if you like it. Or do you want me to get you chocolate?
Okay, chocolate. Mommy's getting chocolate.
How about you, baby? Which one do you want? Strawberry.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I raised. What do you want? Ano ba yun?
you've got Johnny's John wants a flight cone. What about you, Alex?
I don't want any.
I got the sugar.
I tell you, Danny, what have you done?
Everyone got a ice cream?
Yeah.
46 on the other one.
Thank you.
Thank
Pwede
you.
pa na card? Is it
I
there?
did?
That's good.
Kala ko
Hindi
card.
na kasi
Bag.
There's a sprinkles, there's a flight.
Oh, poor Indy. I don't have any ice cream, guys.
Neither are you in
I know, isn't yummy?
Thought I should've let go. Thought I knew the way and I knew it for sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of.
Nag-barbecue pala sila, guys. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Ayan. Kain
Are
ng
you
boys.
going now that
Kami maya-maya kami kain. Kasi hindi pa luto ang
you want me
aming,
to get it?
naririnig niyo yung boses? Ayan, nandito na siya.
You need beer? Text mo na lang si Kat.
Dito din si Kat. Magluto yun ng ano. Oo nga.
It's okay, babe. I'll
Just next, ano?
Yeah. Kasi yung rice din. Na-receive niya ba? Nag-reply ba siya? That's good. Kasi kulang yung rice natin. Yan, kain na sila. Ayla, what do you wanna eat, babe? Do you want sausage? And rice? Okay. Ito na naman tayo. Hiwa na naman tayo, guys.
Ang tayo sa sawan?
Meron na.
Ganyan din siya
Hindi, tulog yan dahil. Kagabi, tulog din. Pagod na pagod yan. Kakaswimming, kakalaro. Yeah.
Patikim kung okay ba.
Sige, ano. Pakita ko pa yung blister ko. Ano mo?
Nakahiwa?
Hiwa. Kasi ano talaga?
Hala! Ano, ito yung iwa mo?
Lahat
Oo,
yan,
yung
lahat.
raw, yung ano, yung hilaw.
Scratch. Pakibig ko scratch.
Hiniwa ko lahat.
Someone's already going into this.
Sarap dahil natikman mo.
Masarap?
Ay, lasa. Kinuha ko yung
Tagal-tagal nito mag-start. Yung camera, ang tagal
Sa ngayon, wala na yung moment. Tapos na. Tapos na.
Na-fail na ang moment. Na-fail pa na ang moment. Hindi pa nag-feel.
Ang galing yung batang yun.
Sweet ka talaga. Sarap lang.
Wow, diba?
Na-close mo talaga yan?
Overnight yan. Meron pa tayo na hilaw. Kung gusto nyo bukas ganyan ulit. Oo, ganyan lang. Oo, yun. Basta sila lang mag-tweet.
Jesus Christ!
Ano mo nga?
Takpan mo pag yan umabot dito, Alayra.
Paluto na.
Paluto na
Gusto niya nasasaktan. Wala kong piso siya.
Uy, Kati, ikaw. Kapagod na.
Ano?
Ha? Ano?
Wala nga, wala talaga. Hindi na tayo natuto. Last year,
Kaya
ganyan.
nga, dala kaya akong kutsilo last
Meron
year.
yung maliit na, pero masusugatan siya doon sa maliit.
Wait, sa ano ko lang.
Wala, ginanyan ko na pagalit na napurol. Ginanyan ko na ba kahapon? Napurol siya siya.
Wala talaga?
Uli. Nasa yung maliit? May maliit.
Uy, galing yan kina Tony. Much better yan.
Much better po, much
Mas
better
yan
na.
galing niya sa atin daw.
Hindi nga, mapupurol na. Hindi ka man wala. Makita ka ni Johnny Fisherman.
Siya naman magka-blister. Ay, hindi siya magkaka-blister. Malaki eh. Hoy, hindi ibang kutsilyo yan nga. Sabi ko sa'yo. Kay Tony nga yan.
Mas mabenta. Palitan na lang. At sila may hirapan. Hindi ka naman tayo mag-iniwa.
Kami nagluluto.
Okay, palitan na lang ng kutsilyo. Dala niyo yung kutsilyo namin dito.
Ito yung galing doon?
Sarap ng ano,
Tapos may
marinade.
may pangalan. Yun wala.
Let's eat! Ayan pa, may ano, yung leftover is
Ay,
the,
ang ganda ng sayo pero baka matako.
ano yan, Bicol Express at saka yung pork barbecue.
Hoy, wag mo sigawan.
Kain tayo! Hindi naman sobrang advance. Uy! 8. Kailan birthday mo?
Sobra ka nila siya kay ano? Nauna pa ka mong magdigar.
Advance lang.
Nauna pa ka siya kay Argos.
Okay lang. Try ko nga. Pag kayo na, natamahan.
Hinay-hinay mo lang kasi, sis.
Kaya nga, inaano ko.
Kaya mo yan. Bakit nakapajama na? Ano ba nung party na to? Nakapajama na. Uy, pajama na yung tayo, Lyra.
Uy! Hindi na kayo babalik! Uy!
Kayo na nga eh, para man kayo. Para namang inaano. Ayan, puputo.
Mata, ano siya mata?
Ang dami na namin guys na ubos.
Kasi kaya ano na ko, nagsuot na kami ng ano.
Kayo na talaga
jam mga
Si
animal.
katubaran to ni ano ni Neil.
Ay, ano
Baka
ba?
balik akala ko baliktad.
Hindi. Ano to, maganda din.
Okay, Mark. Kay
Ganda
Mark.
ano material, parang Peter Alexander.
Kasi
Kasi man Peter Alexander. Oo, ito.
Maganda yung yellow, yung sa vlog mo.
Sabi ko kay Tony, buhatin niya na ako pa uwi. Tapos tignan mo yung asawa mo nandiyan natin. I-check nga kung okay ka lang.
Sabi ni
Oh my gosh, inopen namin yung Prosecco,
18 karat gold. Sabi ni Veronica, Mami, ayun, brown. Kasi sabi ko, nakita ka na ba
Ikaw ba yun, sis?
Sabi ko, nakita ka na ba na nakainom?
Oo, sinend ko yung link ng pagdaan.
Sabi nito, ang daming beses ko, ang daming pinagdaan.
Naiinitan na ako.
Ako dito.
Dahil palihog na, tanggalin mo nga yung orange dahil palagay mo lang dito. Kanina pa yung orange na yan. Ang dami na pinagdaanan.
Hindi mawawalang, hindi yan mawawala.
O hindi pa tapos, sis. Uubusin ko na to.
Ay, mag-cheers na
sige,
tayo.
sige. Oh,
Bakit? Tapos na?
Oo, paubos na.
Ay, isang ano lang?
Yes.
Asan na yung vlog mo, Lai? Yung phone mo. Ba't mo suot ang couch?
Hindi nyo sabi ng dalawa, sis.
Kaya nga, sinare nga nila sa akin.
Catch siya eh, naka-catch. Pero sexy ka.
Tapos sabi ni SB19, sino ngayon?
Sabi niya, sino yung Justin Bieber?
Justin, sabi ni Manay, Justin Bieber.
Kinakabahan ako, padami na ng padami. Wala na, ubos na. Ah, ito, punuin mo yan.
Ginto. Sabi niya, basta si Justin Bieber.
Ikaw talaga, pa-shit ka talaga.
Sabi niya, Justin.
Ay, uy, in fairness sa'yo, ang level.
Okay. Okay, cheers na.
Ah, cheers.
Love mo ka.
Asan na ba
Asan na ka? Okay na.
Sana all.
Ganda ng ano mo ah. Sing mo.
Cover. Ito yung sa'yo.
Okay na.
Para hindi ka mga nigdinig.
Yeah. Bumili din ako niyan, itim.
Okay, cheers
Wait lang, ang tagal. Mga 5 seconds.
Ay, buti ba sa'yo wala na.
Kasi hindi, paano siya makahawak? Ay, ayan na.
Cheers. Oh.
Cheers! Cheers, guys! Cheers! Cheers! Happy birthday! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Guys, nagle-level up na kami. Prosecco na to.
Hindi na Moscato.
Prosecco.
Is that is you finished that, ate? Is it gone?
Wait, hindi naman siya as in sobrang ano talaga.
Is it gone?
Wala siyang lasa.
Can I have some?
Okay lang.
Thank you.
Siya mapait naman pa eh.
Prosecco na yung ano
Ay,
natin.
magle-level up ka na simple rice.
Pag gold na to.
Mahal na to.
Thank you.
Hindi na to $6.
You guys.
Yung lasing ko na, pero yung presyo, alam mo ka rin.
Have a piece.
Water? Mama's water? Ano mo? Where's your water?
Cheers.
Or go. Ate! Seats on the bench. Cheers.
Ano, masarap?
Ayun, guys. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Ano siya? Ano siya manay?
Ganito ang lasa.
Hindi siya matamis, pero okay lang.
Okay na to.
Wow.
Ganito ang lasa, ganito lang.
Pero hindi siya as in sobrang alak na alak.
Hindi yung katulad ng ginawa mo.
Nasisi na.
Yes, baby? Sa'yo, okay pa ba?
Hindi ako makaget over dun. Sa ano.
Yeah. Ano lang siya, matabang na wine.
Yeah, matabang.
Tapos yung parang may ano.
Matabang na mapakla, na mapait.
Hindi masarap.
Okay lang, pero hindi masarap.
In short, hindi talaga siya masarap. Pero napasubo na kami guys, na-open na namin.
Ang mahal.
Ang mahal, 24 karat.
Hindi yan,
Yes. 18 karat gold.
Ang mahal ng ano.
Ano ba yan? Regalo lang yan sa akin.
In fairness sa kanya, wine naman talaga yung alcohol
Yawan
content
talaga
niya.
siya. 18K.
Champagne siya, di ba?
Prosecco.
Ito tinatanong ni Dan kung kailangan namin ng Moscato. Sabi hindi na ang dami.
Uy, ano ba ang mahal?
Sa wine?
Yeah.
Well, depends.
$28.
Okay lang. Nasa ganyan yung mga normal na wine.
Isang glass lang yun sa ano daw.
Yeah. So, mura lang pala. Mura lang pala. Maganda
Okay,
lang
yan
yung
yung,
packaging.
yan
yan
ang
yung,
ating
yan yung mga
$5
regular
lang.
na ano dahil na mga
3 times
wine.
ng Moscato yan. 4 times ng Moscato.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Okay na kung compare sa
Ko
Moscato.
i-compare sa Moscato. Moscato pa din ako. Pero ang cute ng packaging niya. Maganda pang
Ang
regalo.
ganda.
Maganda
Kaya
pang
may
regalo.
regalo sa'yo.
Kaya niregalo sa akin.
Kasi maganda.
Italy pala to dahil. Italian.
Ah, yeah?
Hindi pa siya, ano?
Parang siya
Australia.
spark, ano lang, no? Sparkling water lang.
Ikaw ba naman nagdaan doon sa Prosecco mo, sis? Binigyan niya ako. Sarap.
binigay. Joke
I want more daw. I want more.
Water. Okay.
Ayun yung water niya, babe.
Alam